So, you finally did it. You skipped Starbucks. You said no to pizza. You reused the same toothpaste tube until it looked like it survived a war. And after 7 years of suffering, you now have 38 rupees and emotional damage. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the biggest financial scam ever sold to normal people. Just save money and you'll become rich. Ah, yes, because apparently billionaires became rich by not buying garlic bread. Makes sense. From childhood, we're taught, save money, don't spend, put money in the bank. And honestly, saving money is important. But people treat saving like it's some magical portal to wealth. Like if you save hard enough, one day Warren Buffett will appear in your room and say, "Congratulations, you avoided buying chips for 12 years. Here's your private jet." Here's the harsh reality. Saving money protects you. Investing and earning more changes your life. Saving is defense. Wealth is offense. Imagine a football team. Your goalkeeper is amazing. Fantastic. But if nobody scores goals, you still don't win. That's exactly what saving alone is. You're protecting money, but not growing it. Now enter the final boss, inflation. The thing quietly eating your money while you sleep peacefully thinking you're financially responsible. Back in the day, 10 rupees could buy snacks. Now, 10 rupees buys disappointment. Your grandparents probably bought land for the price of a modern gaming mouse. Meanwhile, today, you walk into a grocery store with 500 rupees and walk out with toothpaste and regret. Here's the problem. If your money just sits in a savings account, inflation slowly destroys its value. So technically, you are losing money. Just very politely. Let's say inflation is 6% and your bank gives you 3%. Congratulations. Your money is basically running on a treadmill, moving, but going nowhere. Some people become so obsessed with saving, they accidentally become professional misers. They won't buy good shoes, good equipment, good education, good opportunities. Why? Bro, I'm saving. These people will spend 4 hours searching for a 20 rupee discount online, but refuse to learn a skill that could increase their income by 20,000 rupees. The math is not mathing. There's a difference between being financially smart and behaving like a raccoon guarding expired coupons. Saving every rupee while ignoring opportunities is like trying to fill a swimming pool using a spoon while ignoring the giant water pipe beside you. Now notice something interesting. Rich people don't just save money. They buy assets, businesses, skills, investments, systems that make more money. Poor and middle-class mindset. How do I save this 500 rupees? Wealthy mindset. How do I turn this 500 into 5,000? Completely different game. And no, this does not mean, buy my crypto course, bro. Relax. I'm not about to sell you a Lamborghini mindset package. Real wealth usually comes from increasing income, learning valuable skills, investing over time, building things, taking smart risks, not from surviving on instant noodles for 15 years. Here's something nobody talks about. Your savings potential is limited. Your earning potential is not. You can only cut expenses so much. Eventually, there's nothing left to cut. What are you going to do next? Cancel oxygen subscription? But income? Income can grow massively.
A person earning 30,000 rupees per month has limited saving power. But if they learn editing, animation, coding, marketing, business, their income can double, triple, even 10 times over time. That changes everything. This is why skill development matters so much. Your skills are financial weapons. The more valuable you become, the more money flows toward you. A lot of people secretly use saving as a comfort zone because saving feels safe, predictable, controlled, no risk, no uncertainty. But wealth usually requires uncertainty, not reckless gambling, smart, calculated risks. Big difference. Starting a business? Risk. Learning a new skill? Risk. Investing? Risk. Creating content online? Huge emotional damage risk. But avoiding all risk forever usually keeps people financially stuck forever. The sad part? Many people spend their entire lives trying not to lose money instead of learning how to grow it. Now, before somebody types, "So you're saying save nothing?" No. Please calm down, Professor Keyboard Warrior. Saving is important, very important. Savings give you emergency protection, freedom, peace of mind, stability, options. Savings stop small problems from becoming disasters. But savings are the foundation, not the entire building. You don't become wealthy just by storing money. You become wealthy by making money work for you. So, what's the real lesson here? Save money, but don't worship saving. Learn skills, increase income, invest wisely, build assets, take smart risks, create opportunities. Because if saving alone made people rich, every grandmother hiding cash inside steel containers would own a yacht by now. At the end of the day, money hidden under a mattress doesn't create wealth. Money invested into skills, assets, and opportunities does. So, yes, save money, but also learn how to grow it. Otherwise, you'll spend your whole life protecting a tiny pile of money that inflation is slowly eating anyway. And if you're wondering why companies make you spend money so easily in the first place, then go watch my previous video, How Companies Are Secretly Making You Spend More. Because trust me, after watching that video, you'll never look at supermarkets, online sales, or limited time offer the same way ever again. And if you already watched that, congratulations. You are now officially aware of psychological manipulation and still somehow buying snacks at 2 a.m. Alright, I'm leaving now. I need to go transfer 12 rupees into my savings account because apparently I'm one disciplined purchase away from becoming Elon Musk.
What is that actually happened?
Bye. Wait, don't forget to like and subscribe before inflation eats your wallet.